Alright, I'm so excited for this launch. It's going to be happening so soon now. So I want to fill you in on exactly what this company will be giving you. And it's all about learning. We're here to learn. We're here to learn to trade and to really take advantage of the markets. And I'm someone who's been trading for about 3 years now, but mainly cryptocurrencies. And I've made some money off cryptocurrencies, thousands of dollars. But once I recognized the size of the market of only 200 billion, right? Or it got up to about 700 billion, but not even $1 trillion market yet, right? Whereas the Forex market, where we're learning to trade now with this opportunity, with ATM and CPSG, right? That Forex market is 5 trillion a day. So what you have to realize is this money's moving constantly. And it's just about finding the right position, the right leverage. But you can't be analyzing the markets all the time by yourself, right? So one of the products that we offer is this live room where you can get in any day that the trades are open, right? And just basically get advice and expert advice from people who have been trading corporately for a couple years now, and just they can sum up the market, right? And analyze from their perspective what they see happening, where they see a good opportunity to take a trade, right? And then you can copy what they are doing. But ultimately, you don't have to copy. It's about learning from their process. And that's exactly how the teachers see it as themselves. They're not expecting you to always just take that trade, but it's the trade that they're going to take, so it's recommended. And ultimately, that's how we do it. That's one of the products. The other product is signals. We do give signals, but again, it's by that recommendational basis. So if you don't know what I'm saying about signals, let's just bring it back to the basics again, right? The first product and the most important product that we're going to be giving you is an 18-day boot camp for how to learn to trade when you know absolutely nothing about it, as well as tidbits and deep knowledge for the advanced person that will help them boost their portfolio and their profits monumentally. So it's important that you realize, even if you don't know what I'm talking about right now, you have that commitment, you have the desire to learn to trade, you can come in, take this boot camp, and in 18 days, you will be making profitable trades because you will know the same things that the pros know because they put it all down there for you. And that's what I'm about. I'm about two things. You either try something and you test it until you create a process that works, or you copy someone that already has a process that works, right? It's that test or copy solution. And what I'm going to explain tomorrow is the marketing aspect of the business and how I've been able to create automated marketing leads and generate sales, and how I'm going to teach everyone to be able to do that as well. So to sum it all up, the final thing that they give you, and this is one of the things that I love the most, because if you're like me, you don't have much time. You want to have all of this summed up in a small bite-sized chunk every day. And with that being said, they created basically a daily snapshot. It shows you all of the major pairs, and by pairs I mean different currencies that are trading against each other. So you have the dollar to the yen, you have the yen to the euro. So what we're talking about is different potential places where the price is either going up or down, and you can make a trade. So it'll highlight all the trades in this daily snapshot that have opportunities, right? So you can just look for those pairs and see where we're saying the opportunity is, and then see if you want to make that trade. And then that creates the whole process. Once you've gone through the 18-day boot camp, in about a month, you'll be able to take a daily snapshot and create a couple opportunities based on what you see and what the experts see, and generate some profit daily for yourself. And it's all about catching those incremental pips. As you can see on the picture in this email, right? That basically, if you get 10 pips with one lot, with a 1.0 lot, then you'll be making $100. So if you can consistently get 10 pips, which isn't a large movement of the market, and the market can easily fluctuate 50 pips up and down, 500 units, but 50 pips up and down. So if it's doing that, you can easily catch 10 up, 10 down even, right? And through that, you can generate consistent, constant $100 paychecks. So it's all about then, creating that consistency. The consistency is key in finding those trades which will generate a risk-free trade where you'll be able to cover that spread that comes in and actually get a risk-free trade. So I just wanted to, kind of give you a little bit of knowledge and a little bit of value, because it's really important to actually just get committed to learning to trade. This may get a little hard, and I always suggest starting with, not that much money so you can learn, or starting with a demo account so you can learn the basics. And then once you're comfortable, right, and you're getting consistent profits, then you move on, you put 1,000, 10,000, 50,000 in an account, and you'll be able to make 100 or 1,000 or more a day. But it's more important to focus on, right, the consistency, the basics, and that skill, which we're honing, we're developing. So at any time, we can look at the markets, look at the daily snapshot, right, and make some profitable trades and create some income with our own time freedom, with our own monetary leverage. So we don't have to constantly run after money, right? So that's why I find this opportunity so amazing, because learning to trade is a skill that will change your life if you commit to it. Other skills like video games or going out with your friends, they may not change your life that much. You might enjoy your life, but what's really going to change your life? What's really going to change your circumstances? So again, I urge you to connect with me, connect with anyone else on the team, that you see. We got some really big names that are helping us out with this. Ryan Tyther, who's learning, Patrick Kenny, they're both really big traders, as well as Daniel Westby, who's a big trader, and we got Jesse Belvin, who's a really good entrepreneur, and we got some really amazing marketers too, Michael, Brian. So reach out to any of them and just get connected with the team. Most importantly, get connected with the CPSG Global page, right? And check out your back office for the marketing and see, anyone in your group. I'm going to be talking about marketing a little bit more tomorrow as we get closer to launch, but see if there's anyone, your close friends, that wants to trade with us, because ultimately it's just about creating a team and teaching other people, helping other people learn this skill that will be able to affect their lives. And what I find is, if you're learning something alone, it's a lot harder. If you're learning something with a group, ask questions, you can bounce information off each other, you can learn faster, right? That's why we have classrooms. So with that being said, I hope you've gotten a lot of knowledge out of this. If you don't know completely, what I've been talking about from this, then I just urge you to check out the Team ATM visitors page, right? teamatm.co, because it's got all the information from the CPSG Global to what is Forex, what is network marketing, and what it is that we're doing here in creating this movement. So with that being said, I'd like to thank you for taking the time. Thank you for joining the team, and let's keep going.